Hey guys, I just wanted to record a super quick intro of our video that we shot this past weekend of Dr. Demery actually doing an adjustment on a real live baby. We thought after our video a couple weeks ago you would be super interested to see what it would be like on an actual baby. Let us know what you think and enjoy. Bye.
So now this is a real one.
You can take her jacket off.
This is a real one.
Oh, big smiles.
There's a big smile. Yeah, you just wanted to be part of the conversation. You just wanted to be part of the conversation.
She just likes to interact now. She doesn't like to be sitting in her chair unless we're moving.
Oh, you want to sit up? Look at that. She's going to sit up. You got strong tummy
She is
muscles.
strong. She tries to sit up all the time.
Okay, all right. Are we going to do our exercises? Are we going to do them? Yeah, you're a happy baby, aren't you? You're a happy baby. All right, let's try to put your nose up or your toes to your nose. Let's try it. Oh, see it? Oh, look at those wild socks. Wild socks. Oh. There we go. There we go. Almost there. Oh, there we go. There we go. There it is. Boom. Let's do the other side. Let's do the other side. Look at those socks. Those are crazy. Oh, are those crazy socks? Yeah, I'm so close to you. Very good. Now we're going to tilt you to the side. Tilt you to the side and see how you do. Yes, you're so smiley. Oh, what a sweetheart. What a sweetheart. I bet your mommy and daddy have so much fun with you. I bet you they do. I bet you they have so much fun with you. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yes. Are you going to tell me something? Are you going to tell me something? Yeah. Are you very chatty? Are you a chatty Cathy? Are you a chatty Cathy? I'm going to just tilt you. Okay, you're not wanting to tilt that way so much. I don't think so. So we're just going to tilt you a little bit. Tilt you a little bit. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. Yes, we're just going to put you up and tilt you to the side a little. Yes, we are. Oh, so good. Oh, so good. All right, now we're going to check your little neck. Upside down. We're going to look funny this way. We're going to look funny. So Mama said you're a little congested. Check your neck and your upper back. Yeah. Yeah, so we're going to check your neck and your upper back. Look over here. There we go. Yeah, very good. Exactly. And this way. Okay. Now we're going to put you on your tummy. I'm going to turn you around. I'm going to scoot you around. Yeah. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Now a little tummy time. Do you like tummy time? Do you like tummy time? Little ruffle bottoms there. Oh my goodness, there's a bird. Oh my goodness. Okay, getting frustrated with that tummy time. Getting frustrated with that tummy time, huh? Okay. We're gonna grab you from back because you don't like the tummy time, so we just adjust this way. That was it.
Oh, wow.
That was it. All right.